In Genesis chapter 5, we witness the genealogy of Adam, tracing the line of humanity from Adam to Noah. This chapter begins by noting that Adam was created in God's image and that he fathered his son Seth in his own likeness. The genealogy is structured around the ages of the patriarchs, each of whom lives long lives, some for over 900 years, passing down their legacy and faith to their descendants. The chapter highlights key figures like Enosh, Canaan, and Methuselah, who all played important roles in preserving the line of righteousness. It culminates in the birth of Noah, who, as the scripture foretells, will play a crucial part in the salvation of mankind during the coming flood. Despite the long lifespans, the repetitive phrase, "and he died," after each patriarch serves as a poignant reminder of humanity's mortality. This chapter also emphasizes the faithfulness of Enoch, who walked with God and was taken by God, sparing him from death. This chapter illustrates God's continued relationship with humanity, setting the stage for the events that will unfold in the following chapters.